Good. You're going.
How does it stick on?
They're stickers. So in this activity, we've stuck little post-it sticker notes all over the walls and the sheet and drew a circle, so they have to reach up high.
Can you get that sticker off?
Reach up high to grab the sticker, and then they have to use their fine motor to be able to take it off and put it back on. So this builds shoulder strength and fine motor skills.
That's a not sticky guy.
Oh, I see one more. Good job.
There's only...
Kaden?
She's putting them on her shirt.
No.
She always got